Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best heavy-duty wheelbarrows that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4, we have the 70019 Garden Barrow Dual Wheel Residential Wheelbarrow Garden Cart. This budget-friendly option is excellent for light residential tasks. Its dual-wheel design makes it easier to lift and maneuver, while the rust-proof poly tray is perfect for carrying mulch, dirt, or rocks. With a 4 cubic foot capacity and a load limit of 300 pounds, this wheelbarrow is a practical solution for small garden projects. Plus, its lightweight construction, just 19.8 pounds, ensures less strain during use. The standout feature here is the simple assembly process. It only requires 6 bolts, making it a great choice for beginners or those who don't want to spend hours putting it together. However, it's worth noting that this product is best suited for lighter tasks, as its lower weight capacity and modest build may not hold up well under intense use. If you're a casual gardener or a backyard enthusiast, the Garden Star 70019 offers excellent value at just $80.20. It's not aimed at professionals or heavy-duty users, but for everyday yard work, its ease of use and affordability are hard to beat. Just don't expect it to outperform higher-capacity models. At number 3, we have the dual-wheel Home Garden Yard Utility Wheelbarrow Cart by Elevon. This versatile option is designed with 2 air-filled tires and a padded handlebar, offering excellent balance and maneuverability. With a rust-proof tray that holds up to 5 cubic feet of material and a 300-pound weight capacity, it's great for carrying soil, mulch, or gravel. Its ergonomic design minimizes strain on your shoulders, arms, and back, making it a user-friendly choice for extended use. One of the highlights of this wheelbarrow is its quick assembly. It takes just 5 minutes to put together, which is a major plus for convenience. However, its build quality, while solid, might not stand up to the wear and tear of heavy-duty projects. Additionally, at 24.9 pounds, it's slightly heavier than the Garden Star option, which could be a consideration for users who prioritize lightweight portability. Overall, the Elevon dual-wheel utility cart strikes a nice balance between affordability and performance. It's an excellent choice for homeowners who want a reliable wheelbarrow for moderate gardening tasks without breaking the bank. However, heavy-duty users may find its weight capacity limiting compared to higher-tier options. At number 2, we have the Idzo 2-wheel heavy-duty wheelbarrow cart. This premium option comes with a 5 cubic foot tray and a weight capacity of 330 pounds, making it highly versatile for gardening, landscaping, and even winter cleanups. Its ergonomic padded handle and 14-inch pneumatic tires ensure comfort and stability even when navigating rough terrain. The combination of a durable polyethylene PE tray and powder-coated steel frame guarantees long-term durability and resistance to wear. Assembly is straightforward, and users will appreciate its even weight distribution, which makes it easy to handle even when fully loaded. However, at $115, it is the priciest option on this list, and while its features justify the cost for heavy-duty users, casual gardeners might find it overkill for lighter tasks. The Idzo 2-wheel wheelbarrow is a perfect investment for professionals and serious DIYers who need reliability and performance. Its premium build and thoughtful design make it worth the extra dollars if you're looking for top-tier quality. Just keep in mind that it might not be the most economical choice for occasional use. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Gorilla Cart's heavy-duty poly-utility dump wagon garden cart. This powerhouse features a massive 600-pound weight capacity and a 4 cubic foot tray, making it perfect for heavy-duty landscaping and gardening tasks. Its innovative quick-release dump mechanism simplifies unloading, saving you time and effort. The durable poly bed and steel frame are designed to resist rust, ensuring years of reliable use. What sets this wheelbarrow apart is its 4-wheel design, which provides unmatched stability and balance. The pneumatic tires handle all terrains with ease, making this cart ideal for professionals or homeowners tackling large-scale projects. At 30.2 pounds, it's heavier than other options, but the pole wagon design compensates by reducing the strain of lifting and pushing. Priced at $110.09. The Gorilla Cart's heavy-duty utility wagon is an investment, but one that delivers exceptional value for its price. It's perfect for anyone who needs a high-capacity, durable wheelbarrow for serious landscaping or gardening work. Its innovative features and robust build make it the clear winner in this lineup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.